amazing people, welcome to my channel Clean Meals. It's your favorite girl, Princess Cleaton, Queen of Hearts and Smiles. It's another tutorial going down. Let's start at the very beginning. You know what's up, right? Okay, into it. Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you start, you begin with YouTube Studio. And the next, you begin with my dashboard. Okay, depending on how long your internet takes or how fast your internet takes, is gonna go there. So we begin with YouTube Studio, and the next is going to be my dashboard. Yeah, that's exactly where you are. And so this tutorial today is all about getting to know the people who have subscribed to your channel, so you can know the people who get to unsubscribe at some particular time, so you don't get to bother. You just come here, because especially for us who are loyal people, we're going to subscribe to your channel. We're going to give you a true comment, a real comment, and then we come back and the subscriptions are getting off, and then we begin to think, oh yeah, I guess it's just maybe YouTube just took off your subscriptions and all that. Well, we get to find out it's not true. So you scroll down to the end, just like at the right hand bottom corner, you're gonna see that. I know this is taking me a while because I can't really see clearly. There. So it says recent subscribers. If you just scroll down, mine is getting a little bit difficult because of the way my phone is placed and all. So that's it. You go down, it says recent subscribers. Mine has 90 days, okay? But you can actually put it to the number of days you want. There, you have it, see all. So you click on it, and those are all the subscribers. It shows that this person is subscribed to you and you have subscribed to them. So the ones that are in black, there are people that have subscribed to me and have also subscribed to them. It shows you the exact date when they subscribed to you. Okay, because I was wondering if this date was the date I subscribed to them or the date they subscribed to me, but it shows that it's the date they subscribe to you. So if you go down, I'm going to show you an example. There's one person I've not subscribed to yet. Subscribed to my channel on the 7th of March. This one subscribed on the 6th of March. This one subscribed on the 19th of March. And it shows you that I've also subscribed to these people. People I've not subscribed to, they're going to be highlighted in blue. That's it. So Mommy K Squad, I've not subscribed to her yet, but I'm going to subscribe to her right now. We're actually playlist buddies, so I'm subscribed to her now. Yeah, so this is what I advise people to always get to do. When you're done from a live stream, right, you come right here, you check the people. This is for 28 days, so if I put it, I could put it for 7 days if I wanted. I could put it for any number of days. You could put it for the last 90 days. You could put it for the last 1 year. You can actually see people who subscribe to your channel. So if someone is telling you, oh yeah, I subscribe to your channel and everything, you can come here and check. So this is what I'll tell you. It's actually risky for people who don't have their subscriber counts public. That's what is written up there. Just read it. Only includes users who have made their subscriptions public. I don't know why people make their subscriptions private. I don't want to get into the details of that. But if you say you subscribe to my channel and I don't see your comment and I don't see the numbers, I wouldn't believe that you're truly subscribed to my channel if I don't see you here. So if you want people to feel comfortable and to feel free and to get to know that you're real, then you need to put your subscription count public if you really want to get genuine people. Because this is what I normally would advise anybody. I normally don't do it though, but when I found out that it was here, it was actually a great deal for me, but I don't do it. So I got someone who was very angry on their live stream, and the person was saying that a lot of people are fake, so they come and subscribe to you today, and then when you subscribe to them, they go back and unsubscribe. So boom, We cut the thieves, we cut the cheats, we cut the fake people. How do we get to do that? Okay, when you're done from a live stream and everything, you come to this page, refresh it as many times as possible as you want, and you just take a picture. As simple as that. It has a lot more, so you can go to the next page there, down there. You can go to the next page to see the number of people, because this is not just all of it. Yeah, so you see, you can go continuously, just keep clicking depending on how many people subscribe to you in a short time or in a short while. You can see, you take pictures of this, and then when you sit for a while, like maybe those kinds of times where you have you've worked so hard and you've had 30 subscribers, and then you wake up one beautiful week, you have just 10 subscribers or 15. You just come back to the page and check whoever was on this picture and is no longer on the picture. It's as simple as that. Unsubscribe. It's simple. If you came and subscribed to me and I'm subscribed, and I come here and I find out that you've really done that, of course, it's just normal. It's logical, yes? So boom, we caught the thieves, we caught the fake ones, we caught those who are playing tricks on us. Like I said, if you really don't want to get into trouble, then you have to put your subscriber count public so that you can appear on the list, because there's going to be the temptation of me believing that you're one of the persons who unsubscribed to my channel. If I come here and your name is not there and it was there before, or your name is not just there at all because your subscription count is private. Well, so I hope this helps. If this video has been useful to you, get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. Yeah, Princess Clayton always gets to say she loves you so damn much, but God loves you way more. Okay, any other kind of tutorial you want us to get on, we're definitely going to step on it. So tell me in the comment section which other tutorial you want us to learn. YouTube is getting so much fun. Join the train. People are done faking us, getting us to work so much for nothing. Until next time. So yes, if this tutorial was very useful to you, get to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get all our updates. And whatever tutorial you want us to get doing, write it down in the comment section and we'll be at your service all the time. I always get to say I love you so very much, but God loves you way more. Bye-bye.